Hi guys, welcome back to Arm Candy. I hope you're all okay and having a lovely week. We have this beautiful Michael Kors crossbody for you all today in this amazing purple glitter. Isn't it just gorgeous? This is so cool. It is a crossbody and you can also take the straps off to make a clutch, and I think this would make a beautiful evening clutch. I'll come back and show you the sizing of it. So here it is on me as a crossbody. Let me sort of strap out. So here it is on its longest setting, so it goes higher than this, but here it is as a crossbody. I'm about 5'4" and a UK size 8 for reference. But yeah, it's just so comfortable and so lovely. I really like this. I think it just glams up any kind of outfit. It's kind of an everything bag. It comes with the Michael Kors dust bag for you. Hang on, let me turn it around. There you go, Michael Kors. So, I'll show you the features of it. So, as I've said, you've got the adjustable crossbody strap. On the back, you've got this back pocket with a pressed fasten. You can take the strap off as well, as I said. And then you've got a zip top closure. So let me zip it up and then unzip it for you. So here's the inside. So in here, you've got this flat pocket here, you've got that zip pocket there, and you've got 6 card slots as well. So it's a really handy bag. You've got a lot of space in there and it's just nice and neat. And I love a neat bag. But yeah, I really like this. It's just really cool. Condition wise, it's brilliant. It's in such a lovely condition. The exterior condition is absolutely perfect. The corners are immaculate. There's no marks on the bag at all, as you can see, because it's so shiny. But you can see it's just absolutely perfect. The owners really looked after this. You've got this really nice pewter hardware as well, and that is also excellent. So the hardware is excellent, absolutely perfect. Interior I have called very good. This interior is excellent. All of this is absolutely perfect. There's just in the back, if you can see it, there's one mark in the back pocket there. So that's the reason I've called it very good and not excellent, just that one mark. But everywhere else is absolutely pristine. So if you love this Michael Kors, have a look at it on our website. We'll put the link in the description below. But before you go, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you get alerts when we post new videos. Whilst you're on the website, make sure to sign up to the newsletter so you get 5% off your first Arm Candy purchase. But yeah, I hope you all have a really nice week and we'll see you tomorrow with some more Arm Candy.